Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Bharathidasan University's student account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Bharathidasan University student account, what you can do is just open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for student login Bharathidasan University. And after searching for that option, you will come up to this page, and in this page you can tap on this third option which says student login under Bharathidasan University. So just tap on that, and after tapping on that option, now it will ask you to enter your username and password. So just simply enter your username and password. So after entering your username and password, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So if you have forgotten your password, what you can do is just easily reset or recover your password by tapping on forgot your password option. So just tap on this option, and then you can create a new password for your account. And after creating that new password, just come back to this page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering the new password that you have created, just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Bharathidasan University account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.